we choose the new topic, that is the code conversion. And previously we seen the up to the K-map, half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. Now we moving towards the code conversion. There are different types of code conversions. That is the binary to gray, gray to binary, BCD to XS3, binary to BCD converter, BCD to binary converter, BCD to XS3, XS3 to BCD, BCD to gray code converter. We see different types of converter, and it is easy to reduce the equations and reduce the some part. And it is in the steps of that code conversion, that is the you have to convert in, for example, binary to gray means you have to take the binary to table, you have to convert in gray. After that, using of that gray, you have to draw the K-map, and using of that K-map you have to draw the convert the boolean logic equations. After that you have to draw the logical diagram. This is the actual basic steps of code conversions. We'll see the stepwise. The introduction, that is the electronic signals are continuous, can have any value over a given range, are called analog signal. That is, analog signal means what? That is the continuous and value over a given range, that is the called as analog signal. And digital signal means the electrical signal which have only two discrete values, that is the high or low, that is the called as digital signal. And the actual values of the signal are, that is the unimportance. The brief description of digital system, that is in this system, if 0 and 1 refer to the low and high values respectively, the system is termed as a positive logic system. And other controversy, that is the if 1 and 0 refer to the low and high, that values are termed as a negative logic system. Yes, this is the opposite with each other. And the signal between 0 and 1 volt can be recognized as a binary 0. Then between, it will be between 3 and 5 volt, it is taken as a binary 1. In digital system functions only two states, that is the binary manner, and voltage is only level low or high, that is the, it will be expected a low, otherwise high. Now we moving toward the, before code convergence we see the what is the actual codes. That is the first one, we go to the binary code. Binary code represents the text, and it will be as an computer processor instructions or any other data using two symbol system. Usually is a binary number, that is either 0 or 1, and it will be assigned as an pattern of binary digits, that is known as bits, to each character instructions. For example, binary string of 8 bits can represent any number of almost 256 possible values, and can therefore represent a wide variety of different items. This is all about the binary code. And this is the binary numbers given in example oriented. This is all the binary numbers, 0 or 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and whatever is given here. Now, classification of binary codes. The binary code is classified in mainly two parts, that is the numeric code and alphanumeric code. And numeric code, it is again classified in three different codes, that is the BCD code, XS3 code, and gray code. And alphanumeric code, that is the distributed as, that is the EBCDI code and ASCII code. This is the classification, and mainly it is the very essential for the, and it is having very different types of applications in digital signals. That is the digital signals, it will be binary, and and discrete level, and it is the useful for the A to D converters and different type of binary signals. That BCD code is valid up to the 9 number. Afterwards, all the after 10 to 15, it will be takes as an don't care conditions. Means don't care means it is not necessary to take the values. Is it necessary? Then it will be takes for the simplification purpose. Otherwise, not necessary to take. XS3 it is starts from the three numbers and it will be valid up to the 12th number. That is the and BCD code it will be gives that is the 8421, that is the weighted code. That is we are calling that weighted code. This is the all about the numeric code. Alphanumeric code it is an designed to represent number as well as alphabetic characters. Some of these codes are capable of representing some symbols, instructions as well as the example of alphanumeric codes, that is the ASCII code, that is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and here is the BCDIC, that is the Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange code, and another one code is that is the Hollerith code. Before going to the that is the we go to the details. BCD it is the short form of the binary coded decimal. In this code, each decimal digit is represented by a 4-bit binary, and BCD is a way to express each of the decimal digits with a binary code. And the positional weights associated to the binary bits in BCD code, that is the 8421, with 1 is the corresponding to LSB and 8 is the corresponding starting from the MSB, and these weights are actually that is the 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0. And here is the invalid BCD codes, that is the 4 bits we can represent up to the 16 number, for example 000 to the 111. But in BCD code only the first 10 of these are used up to the 000 to 1001. The remaining 6 code combinations, that is from 1010 to 1111, are invalid BCD. There are also some additions of BCD additions. There are different types of additions, BCD subtractions also. Same for the XS3 also, magnitude BCD. There are different types of other weighted BCD codes, that is the 7421, 5421, 2421, 4221. But mostly, as per our structured, we syllabus structured, we are mostly used 8421. This is the related to the BCD code, that is the weighted code. Non-weighted code, that is the XS code, and the gray code here is given. XS3 is also called as XS3 code. It is a non-weighted code used to express decimal numbers, and XS code words are derived from 8421 BCD code. That is the words by adding 0011 or 3 in each code word, that is the 8421, that is the XS code will be obtained. For example, 8421 is the BCD. When you adding 0011, that is the XS3 code. And XS3 is a sequential code because we get any code word by adding binary 1 to its previous code word. Now that is the gray code. Third one is the non-weighted code. Gray code is the another non-weighted code. It is not an arithmetic code. It is a very special feature that only one bit will change each time the decimal number is incremented. In gray code, changes the some decimal number and is incremented by one, and it having some different properties. That is the and some very high applications as well as very most useful applications with gray code. It is very popularly used in some shaft positions, encoder purpose, and angular positions of the shaft, some patterns of the transparent segments, patterns on the disk according to the code required for the produce. It also some having advantages also, which produces the disk produces some binary codes and imagination and situation in which the existing position is 111. Next, about the alphanumeric code. The binary digit or bit can represent only two symbols. It has only two states, 0 or 1. But this is not enough for the communication between computers because there we need many more symbols for communications. These symbols are required to represent 26 alphabets with capital and small letters, numbers 0 to 9, punctuation marks and other symbols. That alphanumeric codes are the represent numbers, alphabet, characters, some letters. Mostly such codes also represent other character such as symbol and various instructions necessary for conveying the information. It also works as well as at least 10 decimal digits and 26 letters of alphabet, that is the total 36 items. Instead of using only single binary bits, there is a group of bits used as a code to represent a symbol. Number of bits used per code word, and mostly in alphanumeric code there are classified, that is the two already we seen, that is ASCII and ABCD. That is the ASCII is the abbreviation of American Standard and it is universally accepted for the alphanumeric code, and it is used in most computers and other electronic equipments. In computer keyboards, it is standardized with ASCII code. When we press key, the corresponding ASCII code is generated, which goes into the computer monitor, and it has 128 characters and symbols. We need 7 bits to represent 128 characters. So ASCII is a 7-bit code. It can be considered as an 8-bit code with MSB 0 considered. 8-bit code is 00 through 7F in hexadecimal. The first 3 ASCII characters are non-graphic commands. The ASCII code set consists 94 printable characters that is the space, delete character, and 32 control symbols. There are also some extended ASCII characters also. And another one part, that is the EBCDIC, that is the extended binary coded decimal interchange code. This is an 8-bit code, that is the 256 combinations are not used for the, as well as no parity bit. It is used to check error in the basic code set. And another one code in alphanumeric, that is the Hollerith code. That code is used for the punched cards. Before discussing the code, we'll see the details of the classifications. And this is the basic classification of binary code. I think all of you cleared that concept. Weighted code, non-weighted code. Here is the weighted code, and these are non-weighted code, and this is the some characters, symbols, and all that things will becomes under the ASCII and ABCD code. And it is very useful to do some code conversion as well as some applications and some projects. Okay, we'll stop here and we'll see the in details some numeric code conversion in detail. Thank you.